Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss M. I decided to change things around today and record myself reading our Liberty book. Today is our last day reading from our Liberty book. Starting next week, we are going to be reading a new book and learning new information. So, the section of the book that we're reading today is called Spies. What is a spy? Someone who secretly watches and gathers information about an enemy's actions and plans. A spy could be anyone. The young boy who held a British officer's horse might listen to his conversation and report it to the Sons of Liberty. Some spies memorize the information they gathered so there will be no proof if they got caught. Others hid notes in their shoes, in hollow buttons, and even in bullets. Sympathetic ink, a kind of invisible ink, was used by both sides. So were ciphers and book codes. Ciphers were easy to write. You just substituted a different letter for each letter of the alphabet. For example, if you sent your friend a message saying TRGLPGB, he would be able to read it, as long as he knew the cipher you were using. T stands for A, R stands for S, G stands for E, L stands for C, P stands for R, G stands for E again, and B stands for T. TRGLPGB would mean a secret. It wasn't unusual to use a cipher in colonial times. Many people, including Thomas Jefferson, wrote their private letters in cipher. Benjamin Franklin didn't. He said he could never remember the key. A book code was different from a cipher. The spy and the person to whom he was writing had copies of the same book, usually a dictionary. Numbers were used, and each group of numbers stood for a word. They told where in the book that word could be found. The first number told the page, the second, the line, and the third, which word on the line. The spy would compose the coded message by using his copy of the book, and the other person would figure it out by using his copy. The adventures of many successful spies will always remain secrets. But some famous spies of the Revolutionary War, like Nathan Hale, are still honored for their courage and loyalty. Others, like Benedict Arnold, who betrayed his country, are remembered with scorn. Bye.